Well guys, this is it. After 3 months of planning and preparation, hard work, we are very almost ready to head out on our big European adventure. So this will be the very last of our YouTube series journey to full-time family van life. So next week when you're watching us, we'll be getting on that ferry and heading out to the Netherlands for the start of our epic adventure. So don't forget to click subscribe, click like and keep following, because it's all about to get that bit more exciting. Anyway guys, so we have been working our absolute butts off to get this van finished and ready for full-time family van life. We have been working to such a tight time scale, it's unreal. And it's really not been without its hurdles either.
Okay, so I haven't managed to get an update about the pop top. If you haven't seen the last video, our pop top is leaking currently, so it's back with the installers to try and get that sorted. I was hoping to have the van back today, but I haven't heard from them. I was supposed to give them a call at 5 o'clock, but I was doing a storage run, so I didn't get back in time. So I've pinged them an email, hopefully I hear back, and we can hopefully pick it up tomorrow. So I've had to keep myself busy today, and I've been in the garage. We've got this, this is our ceiling, this is our cladding. So I've just been putting the first coat of varnish on that. We're just having a clear natural varnish on it, so it's a bit like a Scandi sort of pine. So yeah, getting as much done as possible. Hopefully going to pick the van up tomorrow. Oh, we have a little one escaping. Hello mister, what are you come in here for? You don't know? What have you got? Wow, and there's mum.
We've got an escapee.
You got an escapee.
Come on you.
I was just saying we don't have an update.
We don't.
On the van.
We're just in limbo.
Trying to keep positive, anyway.
Yeah, trying to crack on with other bits, aren't we?
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
So we've just got 2 days left before we move into the van. It's almost done, but we're not going to show you just yet. We've just got our removals van. It's a little bit smaller than we had hoped. It's smaller than our actual van. Smaller than our camper van. So yeah, it will do the job. We've actually got most of the stuff in storage already, so there's just a few big items, last few boxes, so might just mean a few extra runs than we had hoped for. Say touring with the kids.
Italian kids. I will roast dinner.
And a roast dinner?
Yeah.
So it's supposed to be as easy as that. handing the keys over, locking the house, getting in the van and driving off. But that is not actually the reality right now, because this morning we found a little hole in the pop top, in the canvas of the pop top. Obviously it was dark up there. We slept in there last night. Dark up there, went up there and could see light coming through. Looks like it might have been a little Stanley knife nick or something like that. So we don't know what's happening right now. Richard is going to take it down. Back to Kendall.
Not a happy bunny this morning. Another problem. 3 times it's gone back to them to get resealed because of leaks, and now we've found a Stanley knife blade nick just in the side of the canvas. It's just a bit of a joke at the minute.
Bit of a joke, yeah. So we don't know what's happening. We don't know where we're sleeping tonight or whether we're still going on Saturday. We are literally none the wiser, but what we do know is happening is we're saying goodbye to the house.
Straight to the bucket list. You need to get all the things done. There's no time for sleep. Get away, fulfill our dreams today. We all need to go. Live each day. Don't worry, we'll be okay. We all need to go.
So stay tuned as we hopefully make it out to the Netherlands, and don't forget to click subscribe to follow along and see what happens next on our journey.